Snug as a bug. We're snug as a bug. Good morning. Oh my goodness, it feels so strange talking to you guys, number one, from my bed, because y'all know I don't really vlog in my bedroom that much, and also it feels weird chatting this early because I usually don't talk to y'all until I'm like, you know, I've washed my face and I've brushed my teeth and stuff, but I literally just woke up. Hi, it's 7:10 a.m. and I thought, why don't we spend a nice cozy winter day in together. Like most people, I just love and adore the weekend. I think over the past year I've grown to appreciate it even more. Well, actually I would say like the past 7-8 months, ever since I moved into this apartment, because I really do now have a good separation of like work-life balance when it comes to weekdays versus weekends. You guys know I'm pretty diligent about waking up early on the weekdays. I go to the gym first thing in the morning, Monday through Friday, which I love. I love that so much. It's something that like I genuinely enjoy doing. But what I love so much about the weekend is I don't do any of that. I let myself sleep until whenever. I don't set an alarm. I know it's kind of early right now, but for me this is like a nice sleep in, like 7 a.m. It is very nice. I think specifically I also really love the weekends right now in my life because I am a 28-year-old childless single gal. So for me the weekends really are for me and my dog, of course. We got Cleo. She is in the other room sleeping. I have not woken her up yet. Anyways, I am gonna go ahead and, oh, this stretch just feels so good. Let's have some water. Hold on. I'm gonna get up. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have a couple things that I know we're definitely gonna do. I gotta show you guys the protein pancakes I make every single weekend. Every weekend. I am gonna be doing some much needed home organizing. I have a couple cabinets and drawers in my house that are just total disasters, and I'm sure we will find plenty of other ways that we can use our time today. Let's go ahead and get up. I just wanted to say hi if you're new here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Adrienne. I moved back to the States last year after 6 years abroad, so I'm totally in like a fun new chapter of my life. If you enjoy this content, feel free to subscribe. I'm also very active on TikTok and Instagram, and overall I'm just really grateful that each and every one of you decided to choose to spend your time today watching video on my channel. It really means the world to me. All right, let's get up. Oh, big stretch. I will say, because I go to the gym every morning, it does feel weird every weekend when I get to like, you know, kind of peruse in bed, because on the weekdays when my alarm goes off, I am out of bed. I don't even like scroll for a second on my phone. So it feels weird, but very nice to have this time. Okay, let's go wake up Cleo. Good. Guys, I drank one of those sleepy teas last night for the first time in a while. Tell me why it literally made me feel like I was hallucinating. I'm just so grateful to have simple pleasures like this. 2026 has been quite a crazy year so far as Americans. I think we've had a lot of things taken away from us, which should concern a lot of you. On the bright side, we still have coffee. It has not been taken away from us yet, but who knows, honestly, at this point. I love you. I fell asleep last night watching Mrs. Doubtfire, which is just one of my all-time favorite movies, but I haven't watched it in full in a couple of years, and I just forgot about how many great scenes there are. I mean, there's so many amazing scenes in this movie. I fell asleep at the part where she slams her face into the cake to use it as a face mask. I'm like rewinding now because I want to like keep watching from the part that I fell asleep at, and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's the pool scene, the scene where she's cleaning the house, dancing around. Like, there's just so many great scenes. Robin Williams was such an amazing actor. Definitely incredibly grateful that I was able to grow up with movies like Mrs. Doubtfire. What was one of y'all's favorite childhood comedy movies. There's so many good ones from the 90s. Are you hungry? Let's give you your medication. Come here, I'll take your medicine. You cannot bark. Don't go barking. It's the weekend, which means we're not having our green smoothie this morning. These are just my little microgreens that I still drink every day on an empty stomach. But yeah, no green smoothie this morning. And so we're gonna do protein pancakes, but not until later. I typically don't eat my first meal until like 11-ish on the weekends, just because I don't feel hungry until then. Monday through Friday though, I always have my breakfast nice and early. You guys know that. I make a green smoothie immediately after getting back from the gym, but I don't do that on the weekend, which is really nice. I love having my fun little sweet breakfast to look forward to. It's like 8:45 now, so I'm gonna finish drinking this and then we're gonna get all bundled up. Gotta take Cleo outside. Also, can y'all please let me know, what is the temperature like where you are? We have had some really cold days here lately, which I'm not complaining because I do love, you know, the seasons. It's nice to have, you know, colder and warmer months, but holy moly, I forgot about how like blistering cold it can get in the winter. Cleo, come here. Snug as a bug. We're snug as a bug, you guys. If y'all have a dog, please get them this. Even if it's a bigger dog, this keeps them so much more warm. It's a little hood that you can just tuck under their padding, so it's literally just like a small, like kind of hat type of thing, and she loves it so much. It's only $10 from Amazon. I'm gonna have it linked. Every time I go outside, people ask me like, where did you get this? Go. Skincare time. I'm actually getting really peckish though, so I'm very excited to eat here soon, but wanted to do my skincare first. I'm wearing my FAQ 202 mask from Foreo. I've showed this on my channel several times. I link it on Instagram all the time because this is genuinely the best skincare device I've ever owned. It's an LED mask. This mask has so many functions, which I think is what makes it quite different from a lot of the other devices on the market. You can use this for skin softening, pore tightening, hyperpigmentation, anti-wrinkle. I actually got a bit of a breakout a few days ago and I have several like leftover pigmentation marks from that. So that's why I'm using it. This purple color, holy moly, like the way that it fades my acne scars is so fast. I remember back in the day whenever I would have a scar from a leftover pimple, it would take like weeks and weeks for it to fade using, you know, certain products, but using this mask has sped up the healing process so much. I love how it just fits so nicely on my face. You can tighten it using the strap in the back. I actually do bring this on any of the longer trips I go on just because it's so travel friendly. It's like made from silicone, so it does not take up a lot of space in your luggage at all. I'll always just apply a little bit of their red light peptide serum before I turn the mask on, and then it automatically will just time itself out once it's finished. But you guys, I know this is like the month of love, Valentine's Day coming up. If any of y'all are looking for a good self-care gift to give yourself or someone you know, this is such an amazing choice. I truly cannot recommend this mask enough. It just has so many functions. It's such a great skincare investment if skincare is something you are trying to take seriously, because obviously it's better to start now rather than later. And Foreo has been so nice, and they've given us another code, so you can use code HILL30 and that will give you 30% off almost all of Foreo's products. I will have this linked below, and it probably won't be the last time you guys see me wear this because it's just been such a staple in my self-care routine. be aware, if you make these, you might get addicted because they're so good. Pancakes are done. Now it's the fun part. I feel like I just can't stop talking about these on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. You really gotta add the Greek yogurt and the berries to complete it, so don't skip out on those. But this is truly one of my biggest weekend simple pleasures, and I look forward to them every week. I wasn't really planning on going out anywhere today, but while I was eating, I took a look at my nails and I was like, oh my goodness, I am in such need of a manicure. And I was actually able to get a very last minute appointment with the lovely lady who always does my nails here. So that works out perfectly. So we're about to go get a manicure. I think I'm just gonna go with the same color and maybe do like a little Valentine's Day heart deco. I don't know, I'm gonna ask her to see what she can come up with. Also gonna try to remember to stop at the store after because I don't have any fresh flowers in here, and that just adds so much happiness to my life when I have fresh flowers in my house. So hopefully I can remember to go pick some of those up. We're just gonna go to Harris Teeter. Sometimes Harris Teeter floral section is amazing, and then sometimes it's just a disappointment. So we'll see what they have, but I'm just calling my Uber, then we will be on our way. Say good evening, everyone. Did you just finish your dinner? It's time for me to have my dinner. Okay, but how cute is this little sweater? I got it on Amazon. I will link it for you guys. I just wanted to have one cute little Valentine's piece of clothing, but time for dinner. I am obsessed with this edamame pasta, and I put ground beef and tomato as well as zucchini, salt and pepper. It has so much good stuff in here. I just took off my makeup because we are about to take a bath. I love a nice bath during the winter. I've honestly been taking these almost every single night. It's not even just a weekend thing. I am sure I've mentioned this on my channel before, but I lived without a bath for 6 years in Korea. I never had an apartment there that had a bath, and it has just been so nice having one. I mean, I wasn't really that excited about having one when I moved in here, but I think now that I've realized how truly of a relaxing experience it is, especially during the winter when it's just super cold out, I just get so much joy from my baths. And I'll show you guys what I do. I always light a candle, I put on some nice relaxing music, and it's just such a nice way for me to decompress. 10 out of 10 recommend taking a bath. It's like the easiest freaking way of chilling the heck out. By the way, can y'all comment, like, what's your favorite way to just zen out? I also don't mind like a little gardening gummy here and there if I'm feeling it. Might take one of those, to be honest. I also would love to see if y'all have any recommendations for products that actually go in the bath. All I have right now that I've been using It's so funny. I'm like so clueless when it comes to bubble bath and stuff because I haven't used that stuff in so long. This is all I have. I got it from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna throw some of this in. But please let me know, what are y'all's recommendations? Gosh, I'm getting more and more obsessed with these nails by the hour, by the way. She just killed it. She always does such a good job. They're so cute. Okay, let's get this bath going. This is gonna feel so good. Okay, and final thing that you must do to have a nice cozy weekend or weekday evening is throw on a nice set of PJs. So I've got mine on. I absolutely love pajamas. I feel like it's one of the easiest ways you can give yourself some like self-love, self-care. Let me know if y'all are fans yourself. I'm about to go and just head into bed. I'm gonna scroll, let myself rot a little bit before I drift off to sleep. On the weekdays, I'm very kind of diligent about just getting into bed and putting my phone on my nightstand and immediately drifting off to sleep. I don't like to lay in bed and scroll, but because it's the weekend, I actually do let myself. I just feel like balance is so important. I know I talk about it all the time on my channel, but it really is like the key to living a good life. I feel like it's just having balance. So I'm gonna let myself go lay in bed, scroll a little bit. I'm gonna bring my laptop, probably put some Netflix on and just enjoy the rest of my night. It's already about like 9:30. So I'll probably be asleep in like an hour and a half or so. But I just want to say thank you so much for spending this Saturday with me. I'm like, today was such a long day, but I'm not really sure how much I actually vlogged. So hopefully the footage is sufficient enough. I have another vlog coming this Wednesday, so turn on your post notifications. And as I always say, I'm pretty active over on Instagram, TikTok, so feel free to come say hi over there. It would mean the world to me. If you guys are still watching, comment below the bubbles or the pancake emoji, because honestly, both of those emojis are super cute. And as always, it just means so much that you guys stayed until the end. Believe it or not, when it comes to the algorithm in YouTube, if my viewers watch my vlogs until the very end, that helps push my vlog out to new viewers, because YouTube can tell that you're like enjoying my content when you watch the whole video. So that's why it just means so much that you guys stayed until the end. So thanks for watching. I love y'all so much. I hope all of y'all are having a great weekend as well, and I'll see you very soon in the next vlog. Bye guys.